India always believes in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the world is one family. When rapid mass vaccination program became established as proven method of mitigating the worst impact of pandemic besides developing herd immunity, India, one of the world's leading vaccine manufacturers and exporters, exported or donated millions of vaccine doses to neighboring or distant countries under its humanitarian initiative Vaccine Maitri. According to government data, India has shipped 66 million doses overseas, easily enough to vaccinate the whole Delhi, Mumbai, and Calcutta, even during its own COVID emergency. And now, India is reeling under its worst COVID 19 surge so far. While the situation India is currently facing could have been avoided had we not loosened the string and intensified the vaccination drive. However, in this difficult time, as India's COVID crisis went from bad to worse, several countries expressed solidarity. It is heartwarming to see how countries across the world have come to India's aid during these trying COVID times. US is lifting a ban on sending raw materials abroad, enabling India to make more vaccines. UK has begun sending over 600 medical devices including oxygen concentrators and ventilators to India. Germany, which is currently itself grappling with the third wave of pandemic, has confirmed plans to send emergency aid. Singapore, UAE and Thailand also lent a hand of support to help fight the second wave of coronavirus and sent oxygen containers amid the shortage of oxygen in the Indian hospitals. Landmark buildings in the United Arab Emirates (UAE), including the Burj Khalifa and the ADNOC headquarters, were illuminated with the tricolor with the hashtag #StayStrongIndia to show solidarity with the country. The European Union also promised to provide aid to fight the second wave of COVID-19. India's neighbors and its arch-rival Pakistan expressed solidarity with the hashtags Pakistan stands with India and India needs oxygen and also offered to provide medical equipment and supplies. Russia has also pledged to support India during this time of crisis and will be providing oxygen generators, concentrators and drugs like Favipiravir besides the vaccine Sputnik to India in special plane. Meanwhile, Japan, Australia, France, Canada, China, Vietnam, Turkey, Afghanistan, Hong Kong, Denmark, Iran, Bhutan, and Taiwan have also expressed readiness to support India and are currently working through the diplomatic channels to determine how they can assist India. Humanity over commerce. The world has made a choice as the country fights the worst COVID-19 crisis. Stay strong, India. We shall overcome this.